This video, I'm going to show you how you can archive a channel in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to archive a channel, it is pretty simple. Just go ahead and find the channel you want to archive. For my case, I want to archive this marketing channel in my Slack workspace. So go ahead and click on the channel that you want to archive, and then just right click on it and click on view channel details. Now under this, we have quite a number of options. Go to settings, and from settings scroll down, and down here you can see archive channel for everyone. So if you click on archive channel for everyone, you have to note that when you archive a channel, it will be archived from everyone, and that means that no one will be able to send messages to the channel. Also, any apps installed in the channel will be disabled, as well as if there are external people in this channel, they will be removed. However, they'll still have access to the chat history. But the good thing, you're told you'll still be able to find the channel's content via search, and you can always archive the channel in the future. Now, if you're okay with this, go ahead and click on archive channel, and the channel has been removed from the list of the channels that I had here. So that's how you can archive a channel in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.